Now we're going to see what it means for someone to accelerate. So for that, I'm going to take advantage of the entire distance. So I'm going to place this person at x equals 10 meters. Or let's do negative 10. And this person is going to start off stationary, so their velocity is going to be 0. Now let me make this person accelerate, and let's make it at 1 meter per second. So let's see what that means. So you have to look both at the, there's going to be two arrows, a green arrow that's going to represent the velocity, and so a green arrow that's going to represent the acceleration, and a red arrow that's going to represent the velocity. And look at both of those. No. I have to put a number down. So let's make this 1 meter per second. So if you notice, the green arrow stays the same size and the red arrow is getting bigger. What that means is that the acceleration stays the same and the speed changes, the speed increases. So let's do this again. Let me make this person now have an acceleration of -1 meter per second squared. Notice the green arrow stays the same size, but the red arrow gets even bigger. So what that means is that the speed is increasing whenever you accelerate. So that's what acceleration means. Acceleration means that your speed increases. So let me make this clearer now. Let me make this 5 meters per second squared. So you'll notice that the green arrow is going to stay the same size and the red arrow is going to get bigger because the velocity is increasing when you accelerate. So you can see right there, the green arrow is 5 meters per second, and the red arrow, you can barely see it. So let's continue. So you notice that the red arrow was increasing as time went by. Let me just do one more. Let me make it -2 meters per second this time. So here the green arrow is again the acceleration, the red arrow you can barely see it, but you'll notice as time goes by the red arrow is going to get bigger. So the red arrow is getting bigger because the person is moving faster.